Welcome to the CiaoTool BSC tutorial video. Today we'll learn how to create, add and remove liquidity on Swap v2. First, open the CiaoTool official website. Click Connect Wallet in the top right corner and select a wallet that supports the BSC. Here, we'll use MetaMask as an example. Once connected successfully, go to the Swap v2. Create Liquidity v2 page. First, enter the private key of the wallet used to create the liquidity. The wallet must contain the 2 tokens you want to use to create the liquidity pool. Select the token pair you want to create. If you can't find your token in the drop-down list, you can enter the token address. After selecting both tokens, calculate a suitable ratio yourself, and then enter the token amounts. Assuming you select USDT as the quote token, USDT price is $1, and you want your target token price in the pool to be 1 cent. Then input the amounts according to a 1:100 ratio. After confirming all data is correct, click Start Swap. For the first operation, you need to authorize the wallet to use your tokens. After creation is complete, if you need to add more liquidity, go to Swap v2, Add Liquidity v2 page. Enter the private key of the wallet that added liquidity. Select the token pair you just created. Here, you can see the current token amounts in the pool and share of pool. Enter the amount of tokens you want to add to the pool. The system will automatically calculate the ratio based on the current pool price. After confirming you have enough tokens in your wallet, click Start Swap to complete the Add Liquidity operation. If you want to remove your share of the liquidity, go to Swap v2, Remove Liquidity v2 page. Enter the private key of the wallet that added liquidity. Select the token pair from which you want to remove liquidity. Then, enter the percentage you want to remove. Click Start Swap to remove the liquidity.